Anjali?
Angelina.
Angelina.
Yes.
Nice of you. What are you doing?
I'm working in district hub as a data entry operator.
Wow.
But I'm a sport person.
Very good. Very good. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Oh, what about your qualification?
BA pass.
Wow. Wonderful.
I could not my
Continue your education.
final master.
No, you can do it. There is
I'll
a
try
time,
my
you know.
best. I'll try my
No, you
best.
can continue your education also.
Yes, sir.
Hello, gentlemen. Yes. What is your good name?
Miss Kennedy.
My name is
Acha.
Kennedy Raja. Yeah, you can see.
Kennedy.
yes.
John F. Kennedy.
Yes.
He has composed more than 60 poems, sir.
My God.
And he has a YouTube channel of his own.
Oh.
Music of Ken Show.
Yes.
Yes, and he's doing his BBA first year.
My God.
From which university, tell him?
How much achievements?
University.
University?
Jaipur. Jaipur Manipal.
My God. If at all such poems are there, you ask him to make it a booklet.
Yes.
We will
Yeah.
take care of that expenses
in
and all that. We will take that risk.
Yes, sir. He wants to open his music studio, and Honorable CM has promised to make a music studio for him, sir.
Very fine. Regarding poem,
book release.
yes, let him bring a booklet.
You can compile a book.
Yes, let him compile a book. That
Okay.
care we will take.
Sorry.
Okay?
Yeah.
Expense wise, you don't worry.
Yeah.
Lockdown is there. All the best.
Thank you.
Yes. Nobody is
And
there like
his
that?
son, Shanbor Lam, Siang Shaif.
Uh-huh.
Just tell him he's hearing impaired, sir.
Acha.
He got, he's an international arm wrestler.
But he's like a hero. So handsome.
He's a thank you, sir.
Really, he's so handsome. Can you hear me?
He cannot hear, sir. He's,
You cannot hear.
he's hearing impaired.
Tap your lip sync.
Lips.
I give my ears to you.
He won in so many, he got so many medals, gold, silver, bronze,
Wow.
and this time he got,
Silver and bronze in arm wrestling in the world.
Where it is?
yes.
Where it is?
Dubai?
No, this was in Uzbekistan. In Dubai, he got
God.
two silver.
Yes.
No, where it is? We have to see it, you know. We have to show. We people also.
Yes.
Oh, we kept it in the treasury.
His wife, sir.
Oh, so nice. So nice of you.
His father, for Kennedy. And
Acha.
they're very supportive parents.
Oh,
And he's Madhu Sibedi. He's a constable.
Constable?
Yes, and he got his gunshot during duty, sir. And but then, in spite of his disability, he is. Just tell about yourself.
I'm actually 75% disabled, sir. Physically.
What are you doing?
who told you are 75% disabled?
I'm writing my poems.
No, you are able to stand better than me. You are able to talk better than me.
So he wrote in 3 languages:
Ah.
in English, Nepali, and Hindi,
Oh.
and more than 175 poems.
And also Delhi Sahitya Academy also published.
He's a
my books,
member.
sir. And it's from international level
You have
also.
to be very careful about him. So nice of you.
You got an award also
Yes, yes.
for
From Gujarat
Which
Sahitya
which award?
Gujarat Sahitya Academy, literature.
Oh my God! All we have gone to up to Gujarat, home state of our honorable Prime Minister. Wonderful.
Meet Wilbert Hansen.
Uh-huh.
He's doing, sir. He got a post
But
polio
his hand
residual
is like
paralysis.
iron.
Yes, sir. Only with both of his hands. He's driving an auto rickshaw for his livelihood, and also for he has got a grocery shop where he opens in the morning, and in the daytime he said because the market is not,
So all
getting
really
so much.
role
That's why
models.
he's
Real role
and sir,
model.
he's a headman of Kamara village. He's very sincere, and that's why we have gone to his place, sir, and he's doing excellent work. He has got a small farm where he put poultry,
Oh.
and yes.
Once I come. I come to your
He's
place.
from Ribhoi district, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Recently I had gone to Riboy.
Yeah, and these
God
are
bless you,
all
Baba.
part-time.
God bless you. God bless you.
Jepura, she, only in market days, she's selling her bakery items such as.
अब बात कर सकते हैं
थोड़ा थोड़ा मालूम है
हाँ तो पुराने इंग्लिश में बताइए यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो
डोनट बना रहे हैं हम
हाँ,
और
हाँ।
कुरमा और नया नया बाबा क्या बोलते हैं आर्ट Cem Cek Taringa.
She cooks donuts and kurmas.
We have a translator also. sir.
Bazar ke सब फलेंगा मैं बेंगा आने
But beauty is God gift here to the ladies.
And she
Ladies of Meghalaya.
she spent 10,000 and she got the benefits of more than 6,000 rupees every week. So that's why she's supporting her family members.
Yes, sir. She used to make donuts and all those bakery items along with that dumrumbai. No, she used to make 8 items to sell in the market.
Which place?
आसना दिला
Asana.
That's before reaching to
Wonderful, wonderful.
And
Arey,
he said-
you come here, come here. Come
Yeah,
here.
his wife, his
One baby
her
here.
husband and
Uh-huh.
daughter. No?
Bisama?
Come here.
Manageable.
salam kak bilang aja
Wow. So nice. Yes. You also come, madam. You come here.
Ma'am, you can also come on.
You also please come here. Please. Mr. Chaudhary.
Thank you. That's sweet.
Sir, her husband, actually he's not here. You just tell about your husband, Ferdinand. He's a national award recipient. And 2 of them actually were open road, but I think this.
And schools. Because they are the role models.
Yes, sir.
They can inspire. They can inspire anybody. That's job we have to do. Very fine.
Thank you, sir.